Welcome back to Music Theory Made Simple. Today we're going to look at how to play the C major scale with both hands. Most students tend to learn to play C major scale in contrary motion, which means that the hands are going in opposite directions. This tends to be the easiest way to learn how to play the scale because the pattern is the same for both hands. So you would start with both fingers on the C, middle C. You play 3 fingers, then you tuck your thumb, bring your 3rd finger over, and end on C. And even if you do your contrary motion scales in 2 octaves or 3 octaves, it's still the same pattern. Tuck your thumb, bring your 3rd finger over, bring your 4th finger over, 3rd, and land on your thumb. That's the easiest way to learn C major when you're using both hands. Parallel motion means you're going in the same direction. So this is where it gets a little trickier, and you need to practice both hands independently before going on to this. So with your left hand, you're going to have your finger, your 5th finger on the C, and on your right hand you're going to be an octave higher on middle C, and you're going to be on your thumb. So here is where I would tuck my thumb on my right hand, and then I'd bring my 3rd finger over here, tuck my thumb on my left hand, bring my 3rd finger over. So that's why it's really important you have mastered that separate hands. Together, tuck your thumb, 3rd finger over, thumb, 3rd finger over, and that's parallel motion. This pattern applies to most of the scales you're going to learn, so once you've mastered this, you'll be able to apply that to many of the other major scales. We look forward to seeing you again here on Music Theory Made Simple.